If there is one thing we must ask God for, never ask for money, never ask for earthly possessions. Always ask if we have to, Lord, कृपा मिलेंगे श्री राम की भक्ति करो, भक्ति करो, भक्ति करो। दया मिलेंगे हनुमान जी, राम जपो, राम जपो, राम जपो। कृपा मिलेंगे श्री राम। Oh Lord, let your kripa, your mercy, your grace be with me. And daya milenge Hanuman ji. Let that compassion always be demonstrated in my life, oh my Lord. Kripa milenge Shri Ram ji ki bhakti karo, bhakti karo, bhakti karo. Daya milenge Hanuman ji, Ram japo, Ram japo, Ram japo। कृपा मिलेंगे श्री राम जी की भक्ति करो, भक्ति करो, भक्ति करो। दया मिलेंगे हनुमान जी की, राम जपो, राम जपो, राम जपो।
राम से बड़ा राम
जी की भक्ति करो,
भक्ति करो, भक्ति करो।
दया मिलेगी हनुमान जी की, नाम जपो,
राम जपो, राम जपो।
भक्ति करो, भक्ति करो,
भक्ति करो, भक्ति करो।
राम जपो, राम जपो,
राम जपो, राम जपो।
भक्ति करो, भक्ति करो,
भक्ति करो, भक्ति करो।
राम जपो, राम जपो,
राम जपो, राम जपो।
भक्ति करो, भक्ति करो,
भक्ति करो, भक्ति करो।
राम जपो, राम जपो,
राम जपो, राम जपो।
भक्ति करो, भक्ति करो. This is one thing Hanumanji forever had, that kripa of Sri Ramchandra Ji and the daya of Bhagwan Sri Ram. Friends, when we are able to accomplish this in this life of ours, then we have accomplished a sanctified and purified heart. A sanctified and purified heart is a happy mind, is a happy soul, is a happy heart. And my dear brothers and sisters, while we live in this world, while we are living in this world, there is only one thing, and there is only one way to be. One thing to achieve, and there is only one way to be, and that is to be happy. Regardless of whatever happens in life, regardless of who praise us or who curse us, regardless of who condemn us or who lift us, happy is the thing that we should be. My friends, do not allow no one in this world to take your happiness away from you while you're alive.